Does vitamin C really boost immunity? Well, researchers in the 1970s thought so. But nowadays, scientists are saying that you need all the vitamins and minerals that you can get for your immune system. So, how do we do that? Well, I'm going to talk about some of my favorite superfoods for immunity that help me get those antioxidants and the minerals. Number one is turmeric, my friend. You've heard me talk about this in the past probably. Turmeric is one of my absolute most favorite antioxidant-rich superfoods. And it creates a powerful response, so powerful, to inflammatory reactions in the body. So it's very important for protecting the immunity. And number two would be ginger. Ginger kind of looks like turmeric. It's the paler version. If I was the two, I'd probably be the ginger because I look like a polar bear right now. I'm so white. Anyway, ginger helps heat up your digestion and it helps push out any of those foreign invaders that shouldn't be there. Super, super powerful response for helping you with your digestion. And you also know that your digestion plays a key role in your body's immune system. 70% of your immune system is in your gut. Ginger plays a huge role in that. Next up is reishi, 8-to-1 extract. Reishi is so powerful. It's got what's called a beta-glucan. And if you've never seen a beta-glucan, I printed this up for you guys because I have been obsessed with researching today everything that's going on. I'm working from home, by the way. And if you're working from home, then why not learn about beta-glucans? Beta-glucans are like your buddy. They help you train for an event. And the beta-glucan goes in your body and is like, hey, immune system, it's time to go here. Let's go. Lace up your shoes. Let's do this. And your immune system's like, all right, let's go. And your immune system gets jacked up so that you can fight off any of those foreign invaders that may be coming in. And it's so powerful, my friend. Reishi is, I believe, one of the most underrated medicinal mushrooms that we have access to today. So help protect yourself against those pathogens, get some reishi in, and get those beta-glucans. Turkey tail is one of my personal favorites as well. It's been studied so much in Japan, all over the world, for its effects on the immune system. And it also has beta-glucans as well. So turkey tail, super, super powerful mushroom. And the good news is you could go out to the grocery store, you could go to an acupuncturist, probably get some of these mushrooms, but I have it all right here for you. You can drink it from the comfort of your own home. I mix it up in just a little bit of water, 10 ounces to be exact, and it tastes like Autumn had a baby with a marshmallow. It's so creamy, it's so delicious. I just feel good knowing that there's no sugar in there, so there's no added sugar, so you're not gonna spike up your sugar levels or anything like that, and it tastes like a creamy dessert right after dinner. The ginger is gonna help you digest. I drink it at night, boost my immune system up, and this stuff helps me sleep like a baby. And sleep is one of the most important things, I would say the most important thing when it comes to ramping up your immune system and just feeling good. You know those days when you sleep like a baby and you wake up ready to take on the world, ready to help another human being. And at this time, we need to help more people. That's what this is about. We're in this together, my friend. So make sure your immune system is strong. Get some gold today. Click in this video. Maybe get gold for somebody else that you care about as well. Click the link below and let me know how it goes. I'm Drew Canoli. Remember, we're in this together, and I'll see you soon.